Hey friends, welcome back to the Destination Baby and Kids YouTube channel. This is Gina. I am super excited to be here with you today. I should not be filming this right now. We're actually technically open, but I am so excited. I wanted to make sure that I could show you guys. Look what just came in the mail. We've got the UPPAbaby MINU V3 car seat adapter. So this is very exciting. That's what this video is going to be about. If you haven't yet, go ahead and like, subscribe. If it makes sense to share this video with a friend because they're going to get a MINU V3 or you're curious about how the car seat works on it, this is the video to watch. So again, those just arrived today. I've got some other videos about MINU V3. They will be linked to a list here if you're curious to see, but let's see what car seats actually fit on and how it works, and will it fold up and still fit in the overhead with the car seat adapters on it? Oh, so exciting. Let's check it out. Okay. So, and again, if you want to buy this, head over to my website, destinationbabykids.com. You can buy all your MINU V3 accessories directly from me. And again, that's destinationbabykids.com. Check out other colors, all kinds of fabulous stuff. Okay, so MINU V3 shown here in Grayson. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the canopy back. I've already removed my car seat adapters from the box. Not a difficult step. And then on the stroller itself, there's little caps. So your first step is to remove those. These adapters are color organized. This is like your other style of UPPAbaby products. So you'll see there's a blue dot on this one. There will be a corresponding blue dot on the product, and that way you know what goes on what side. So the thing is too, there's a little hole on the side of the stroller frame, and there's a part of the adapter that will line up with that hole and pop in, and then you just click the adapter on. So it's not a difficult piece to put on the stroller. Very similar to MINU V2, but it is obviously not the same piece. They are not interchangeable, but just like the concept, very, very similar. Okay, first try, not bad. All right, they're hooked on. Now, before we check out the car seats, let's see if it folds and goes in the overhead with the adapters on it. So what you're supposed to do is click them inward. Okay, that went well. And then fold it up. Locks. It's not any larger. So we're still going to be overhead certified. So this is awesome. I was a little concerned about this. So now let's see what car seats work on it. So you'll pop it open, get the adapters going. You do recline the seat slightly. So they said Nuna. So before everybody starts freaking out, we're going to try every Nuna on it. So here's the Pippa Air. Will the Pippa Air fit? Because there's 4 different Pippa models, right? It fits. Secure connection. How's the removal? Whew, a little tight because it's tight on the canopy, but not the end of the world. Now, this is a Pippa Urban. I don't know how you'd end up with a Pippa Urban without a stroller. You're not supposed to, but maybe it was a gift from somebody that had already used it. Will a Pippa Urban fit on here? Whew, again, tight. There we go. Fits no problem. Totally, completely secure. Removal, similar to the other guy. It is a 2-button removal for taking Nuna off this type of adapter. Now, let's move to Pippa RX, okay? We're going up in price. Pippa Air, Pippa Urban, Pippa RX. Will Pippa RX fit? Pippa RX fits no problem. Secure connection. Love that. Removes very easily. Now, our most expensive Pippa, Pippa Air RX. This better fit. If it doesn't fit, I'm gonna be sad. Oh geez. There we go. Secure connection. I heard the click. Completely perfect. So, Nuna, no problem. That's very exciting. Now, they say Maxi-Cosi. We'll try a little Maxi-Cosi on here. So this is a Miko Luxe Plus. That goes on, and it is a secure connection. Single hand squeeze release off the back. Not a 2-button pinch, so that's pretty slick. Nice work, Maxi-Cosi. Let's try Kleck. My favorite little safe car seat from Canada. And this will go on no problem. Very easy. It's not tight on the canopy either, so I love that. Perfectly secure connection. Single squeeze hand release off the back. So that is no problem. Let's try a reclining CYBEX. So this is cloud T or Cloud G or whatever the hell cloud you have. Will it recline? Oh, it does. So it fits on, secure connection, reclines, fabulous. So that's cool. Now I want to do one more car seat. This is the PEG-Perego Lounge. PEG-Perego makes 3 infant car seats. If you were to look on their website or on the UPPAbaby website, they would say PEG-Perego is not compatible with this stroller. But as you can see, this is a PEG-Perego car seat. And let's get it popping. There we go. So now we've got our lounge, which is our PEG-Perego car seat that can also recline. And that fits on here no problem either. So again, they are not going to have this listed on the box, but if you buy the PEG Universal adapters, as well as the Maxi-Cosi adapters for MINU V3, you're going to have a secure connection without any issue. So we love that. Removal, very simple. So, really exciting. Just wanted to make sure that we covered it. Remember, pop them in, push it down, lock it up, good to go. All right, if you have questions or comments or are curious about other car seats, please feel free to leave questions below. I will do my best to answer them for you as rapidly as possible. I can't believe I had 2 minutes to make this and the phone didn't even ring, so that's very exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching, and check out all of our other videos. All right.